Student, today I am showing you the another interesting example of scroll bar. So for that I am taking here 3 scroll bar. I am taking vertical scroll bar, students, and placing them side to side. Fine, just the design I am doing now. Just check, just watch. Okay, the first scroll bar I am taking to display the red color. Next I am showing you for displaying the green color, and next I have taken for displaying the blue color. Okay, Visual Basic programs has to be so much of user friendly, students. It means the design has to be very much nice. Okay, so first one I am taking for red, so I wrote here red, and auto size I am doing true, so that this caption I can send it here, I can set it here. Okay, now I am taking one more label for the next one, that is suppose red, green, blue. So I am taking here green, students, and auto size I am making true and setting here, so that one user when will use my program will be able to know that which scroll bar is designed for which purpose. Fine, or for which color. So next I am taking here for blue. So the blue color and auto size I am making true, that I am setting with the third scroll bar. This is just label, students. This is just so the user can know nicely that which scroll bar has been done for what. So my motto is what for this program. Now when we will drag the scroll bar on runtime, at runtime, so the respective color it should show. Now the question is where it will show you. So I am taking here a frame, students. I am taking here a frame, so that on frame the color will be visible. Okay, so here frame is showing, so let make it sample color or color sample, COLOUR color sample. This is just a statement, so color spelling is okay, not an issue. So now this much is the program, students. Now let go to the coding part. So what will be the minimum value for this, what will be the minimum value for this, and maximum value for all we need to set. So previously I taught you by to set the minimum value and maximum value here. Fine, in properties window. Today I will teach you how can we set minimum and maximum value in coding. Okay, so that it will be more interesting and more nicer, and you will have more knowledge about the coding. So better double click on the form, students, because I want to specify the minimum and maximum value for the scroll bar, and that scroll bar that will be the default value, so that let double click on the form. Okay, so here I am specifying the value, you see, suppose what now h v scroll bar, sorry, v scroll 1 scroll1 dot v scroll minimum value is what, students? 0 for a color. Same way I am just copying and pasting. What is the maximum value? 255. So student, have you understood this minimum and maximum value? This minimum and maximum value I set for this scroll bar. Okay, so same way I have to set for others also. So what I can do, I can copy this simply, and I can paste twice, and here what I need to do, just 2, and this is third scroll bar, so 3. Fine, student, this is the default value I specified. This is the default value I just specified to each window, you say, or each program, you say. Okay. Now student, the this is the load part we specified. Now let write the coding for them. Fine, so I have to double click on the scroll bar as I want to drag, and it's supposed to work. Okay, so I am double clicking on the scroll bar. Now it is coming change method here, so let it be change method. Let write the coding for change method first. So the color of what will change? Frame. So what is the frame name? Now frame 1 is the name of the frame. Fine, so what we need to do, we have to specify here now frame 1 dot back color, equal to RGB, red, green, blue. Fine, then what will happen? now the scroll bar's value, this the value of the scroll bar. So what we need to write here, now v scroll roll scroll 1 dot value. It means because of we are dragging the scroll bar up and down, so every time the value will get changed, students. Fine. So every time it changes, that value will come to give the background color of the frame. Fine. So now I am just comma, then we have to do for this I did for red, students. Now I have to do for green. So green, the color will come from where? From here. So this is v scroll bar 2. So same thing I have to write. I am just copying this, pasting. So v scroll bar 2 I have to write. Same way, comma, v scroll bar 3 I need to write. Understood, students? Now let's check the coding first, whether it is working or not. See, students, it's working fine. See, when I'm keeping here, because of it is 0, so it is black. Now when I'm dragging down, become red. When I'm keeping in between, as the value is somewhere in between 0 and 255, so the color is coming as maroon. Now let's do for green and blue, students. Now let's do for green and blue. One more thing I can say you before, that when I'm dragging the scroll bars, so it's not working. See, when I'm leaving, then it is showing. So how can I do that? Now by default the scroll bars method is what? Change. So you have to bring from here, just keeping here, you have to bring scroll method, you remember, scroll function. Okay, nothing else, that much. Then just copy this and paste here. Fine. Now you run and check. See, when I'm dragging also it's changing. When I'm clicking here also it is changing. Changing or not? So this is what. Now same thing we can do for green as well as for blue. So just double click here. Okay, then just copy this to here. This is change. Okay, same way I will take scroll for this scroll, and I can copy this. Understanding, students, what I am doing? Simply same way I can do for v scroll 3, because you have to write for all, na? Why? Sorry, why we have to write for all? This is change is done. Now we have to do scroll. Now you have to drag it and drop here. Now just check all the scrolls are working or not. All the scrolls are working or not. See, blue is working, green also is working, red was working before. Now you can use them together. See, now you generate a new color. Now you got a new color. See, this is how you can choose a color. But again, one question, students, this is the color, no doubt, but what the value is added from red, what the value is added from green, and what the value is added from blue, so that the color is coming. Okay, so that I will show you in next video.